So I'm getting a MyRapid card. She just told me I could get it. Okay, it's 20 ringgit? Okay, so 20 ringgit for the MyRapid card. You can use it on any train or any public, and then you could refill it if you need more. Thank you. All right, I got MyRapid card. Awesome. Hey, Geek, so if you're going to be traveling a lot in Kuala Lumpur and you're going to be here for a while, I would say the train, their public transit system, is probably the best way to go at the lowest cost. And once you learn how to use it, you can basically get anywhere in Kuala Lumpur, but also outside of Kuala Lumpur. And there's many ways you could actually purchase tickets, or in this case, tokens. You could get a token. So if you're not going to be traveling much, a token makes sense. But if you are going to be here for a while and you're going to be doing a lot of traveling, I highly recommend that you get something like this. This is MyRapid. There is another option called Touch and Go. You can even put an app on your phone, but I think this one's going to be the best for most people because this not only works for all the trains, but also your public transit systems like your buses. And so once you get this card, you just have to load it up. You don't have to worry about tokens, or sometimes you drop a token in a machine and it doesn't work. So I highly recommend you get this. This is around 20 ringgit, and I think that's around $3 to $4. So I'm gonna go ahead and head over to another train to get to Batu Caves from KL Central. Okay, so for the KTM commuter, I'm gonna be going on platform 5 to get to Batu Caves. So when you use your card, it'll show your balance right there.
Next station, Maharaja Lane.